Here I've got Alcatel 5V, and let me show you how to enable Google Backup on the following device. So at first, open list of all applications, go to the settings, now scroll down and select system, so it's the very last icon, and go to the backup. Now enable backup option by tapping on this switcher, and it's time to add the backup account. So simply click on account, make sure that you are connected to some Wi-Fi. In my case, it's this one, HardReset.Info. Now refresh it, so let me tap it one more time. Hello. And now give your device a while, it will check all the information. And now it's time to log in with your Google account. If you do not have one, you can create a new one. So at first, let me enter my Gmail address. It's HardReset.Info1@gmail.com. And once it's entered, simply click on next. Then enter your password, so let me do it off the screen. When it's entered, simply tap on next. And here you can come along with all terms of service and also privacy policy. If you click on the link, you will be able to open the documents. So you should come along with all of them and then tap on I agree. If you do, obviously. And now, as you can see, here is the backup option. Tap on accept to enable it. And from now on, Google will back up all the data from your phone. It will include all app and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and also the messages. So if you want to finish the whole process, simply click on OK. And that's it. From now on, your backup account is active and you do not have to worry about all the data in your device. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.